tremendous results in building muscle mass, and the way we measure that is strength. That is the fastest path to exactly what you want. Hi, my name is Jaquish. I'm a doctor of biomedical engineering. It gives me a unique perspective on a lot of things that's a little bit different from what you hear from most of the people on YouTube. Today, I want to go over what some people have seen with using variable resistance, their results. So I'm going to go through a number of results that have started on the X3 forum. So we have a users group. It's called the X3 Bar Users Group on Facebook. There's 39,000 members of that as of today. And that's where people first start posting their results. And then usually the company reaches out and say, hey, can we get your permission to use the results on the website? So I want everybody to see a few of these. I'm not going to go over them all because I think there's like 60. But I'd like everybody to take a look at Todd Stratton. Check him out. So in 6 months, I gained 20 pounds of muscle, lost body fat at the same time, which was unexpected. X3 is fantastic. So you can see here, Todd gained muscle. Because some of these before and afters, yeah, there's some muscle that was gained, but also potentially at the same time, you can see a lot of body fat being lost. And then some of the people complain, oh, well, this guy just lost a bunch of body fat. Well, Todd had a six-pack to start, and he has an even better six-pack now, so he's not one of those. Terrell Rainey, another guy who says, X3 put 20 pounds of muscle on me in 24 weeks. I am on the road for work all the time. He's a lineman, so he does like maintenance on all kinds of telephone lines, power lines. I'm not actually sure which, but I remember him telling me that it's a hard job and a lot of hard labor, and there's not a lot of time when you're on the road to go and find a gym. So he's a perfect example of a busy professional that X3 has enabled him to just always have his heavy workout and with him, and he never misses anything. He says, I put on 20 pounds of muscle in 24 weeks. I'm on the road for work and using my X3. I have no compromise. Better results than with weights, and I can do my workout anywhere. Also, he's saving a ton of time by doing the same. And you can see from the before and after pictures, he gained a lot of muscle. If you look at Dan Wild here, Dan is probably a story where you can see some muscle was gained, but he also dropped a ton of body fat. So like I don't want people to be confused with the before and after pictures and think like all these people just gained like incredible amounts of muscle, and like we're not acknowledging the fact that you can look better a lot faster by dropping body fat, and that also doesn't mean that somebody gained muscle. Because some of these, there's a little bit of that going on. I just want to be honest. So if you go scrolling through, it's like, wait a minute, this person just lost weight. And there's a little bit of that. And Dan lost a ton of body fat here, but he also gained some muscle, and he's shredded. He and I have worked out together. I just went with him to another X3 users bodybuilding show, a natural bodybuilding show in LA. And we got the chance to train together, and man, he's shredded. Scott Blaz. Now, this guy is, I think, more the story of body fat loss. But of course, I'm helping people with both. So it's important to point that out. It's not like you build muscle with Jaquish Biomedical, and if you want to lose body fat, you go find someone else. We're not like that. We're trying to give everybody the best set of information to get the best results, and that's both of those things. You need to be as lean as possible, as strong as possible, which makes you as muscular as possible. I encourage, well, I'll talk a little bit about my own before and after. You can see in the 4 pictures that, hey, where I started was where I started. Nobody would have imagined I would ever be able to put my physique online and have anybody listen to what I do, because I looked just like a regular dude. Nothing interesting at all. And obviously progressed from there once I discovered variable resistance. Tremendous results in building muscle mass, and the way we measure that is strength. That is the fastest path to exactly what you want. I don't care what these volume guys say, and they keep talking about it, and I'm going to continue down the path of, I don't want to ridicule the people promoting volume because they're not wrong. I think they're just inefficient. So, well, I think they're clearly inefficient. And these people aren't my enemies, and I'm friends with many people who promote the high volume approach. I mentioned Dr. Milo Wolf a bunch of times. I think he's a great guy. But of course, lately that approach has come under scrutiny because some of the people who have been promoting that have not been honest about a lot of things. And I'll get into that in a few future videos. But yeah, I'm glad you guys got to check out these before and afters, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. See ya.
If this video helped you, I want you to subscribe and follow. I'm gonna put out videos on a regular basis. I think they're gonna help a whole lot of people, especially if you're one of those people that doesn't just instantly grow from lifting regular weights. We've got the answer for you.